Good morning dear students. Now today I am showing you different conditions which are required for rusting of iron or corrosion of iron. Okay children. Now word equation for the rusting process or corrosion process of iron is this. Right? First is exposure of iron metal, then presence of humid contents or water. Next one is air or oxygen. Then what happens? Corrosion of iron occurs or rusting of iron occurs and rusted form of iron appears in brown color. Right? Its composition is Fe2O3, right? Or FeCO4. Okay? With fixed number of water molecules. XH2O. X denotes number of water molecules. Excess of humid contents are present or rich amount of moisture or humidity, then what happens? This X number increases. Right? This ferric oxide or iron oxide appears in brown color. This part is important for very short answer question. Okay children? Now experimental setup for rusting of iron. In first setup, which chemical is required? Anhydrous calcium chloride. Anhydrous calcium chloride means calcium chloride without water. Okay children? There are two types of salts. Right? First is anhydrous, second is hydrous. For example, anhydrous calcium chloride is only CaCl2. And hydrous means with fixed number of water molecules. For example, CaCl2 and then dot XH2O. This is hydrous. Hydrous is water. Right? But for this experiment, for the study of rusting type of calcium chloride is only anhydrous and formula of calcium chloride is CaCl2. Okay children? Second is cotton. You know cotton. Cotton is good absorber of humid contents or moisture. Third one is iron nail. Right? And for this type of setup, what is required? First, take minimum amount of calcium chloride. I have taken this calcium chloride in this test tube. Right? First layer. Right? This is the first layer. This one is first layer of calcium chloride, then cotton, and then iron nail. And mouth of test tube is closed, right? By which? Cork, right? Which prevents air in this test tube. Okay children? Moisture contents which are present in this test tube means between cotton and cork. All moisture contents are absorbed by cotton and calcium chloride. Okay children? I am showing you proper arrangement of three different objects, right? First is Cl2, calcium chloride, right? Then cotton and then iron nail, right? O2 which is present here, moisture contents which are present in this test tube, all moisture contents are absorbed by cotton and calcium chloride, right? After long time, because corrosion is very slow process, after long time, right, you will find that no corrosion occurs. This grey color of iron nail is maintained, right? Original color of iron is grey. Now second setup, now children, second setup is first is distilled water. It means water without oxygen, right? After boiling of water, After boiling of water, what happens? Complete loss, complete removal of oxygen gas, and this O2 is required for rusting or corrosion. Boiling of water, boiled water is also called distilled water. Right? First, what is written? Distilled water or boiled water. This one. Right? And then put iron nail in it. This is iron nail at the bottom. And here is thick layer of wax. After melting of wax, what happens? Conversion of solid wax into liquid, and when liquid wax or molten wax comes in the contact of water, then what happens? Solidification, right? And this wax prevents oxygen in this water. Metal is available, water is available, and which water? Oxygen free water, not tap water or ordinary water, right? O2 is absent, oxygen is absent, no absorption of oxygen which is present, which is available inside this test tube, right? After long time you will find that no corrosion occurs, no rusting occurs, right? Grey color of iron nail is maintained like this. This is thin layer of wax. Okay, children. Third setup for same process, rusting, whether corrosion is possible or not. But in third setup, third test tube, ordinary water is taken, children. Only ordinary water. Tap water, it means saline. Presence of impurities, right? And then drop iron nail in it. Same procedure. Drop iron nail in it, right? Then close the mouth of test tube with the help of cork like this. Okay, children? In this test tube, in third setup, ordinary water is available which supports rusting. O2 is present which also supports rusting. Metal is present, right? All three conditions are available which are required for this which process? For rusting process. After a long time, right? Maybe 3 weeks, more than 3, right? Maybe 2 months. Corrosion is very slow process. Okay, children? Then we will find that corrosion occurs, and this original color of iron nail changes into brown color. This is rusted iron, metal. Okay, difference between two, this is original color, metallic luster, and this is rusted form or corroded form of iron metal. Okay, here composition is different. This is chemical change. Rusting is chemical change. This iron oxide is Fe2O3 or ferric oxide. Okay, children, composition is different. Before rusting, this one is only Fe, and after rusting, formula is Fe2O3, which appears in brown color. Okay, children, in this manner, this way we can confirm, right? By proper experimental setup that particular process is possible or not. Here process is rusting. Rusting is possible when all conditions are available which support the process of corrosion. Okay, children.